Oh my god. We got hurricane weather right here. It looks like a huge puddle right over there, man.
Oh my gosh, we must have a slide.
Oh, it's getting worse.
Over there. I seriously look over there.
You look like, I heard someone say, oh my god.
There's another baby looking at
Yeah, like right there.
Okay, it's slowing down again.
That's probably gonna get worse. I like the little ripples in the thing.
I know. Looks like donuts.
Your foot probably sinking there. That's how full it is. There should be a drain like right there.
A drain? Right over there. Yeah, there is.
Where?
Behind the thing.
Yeah, okay.
Behind the tree. Almost full. Kind of.
Ah, that's not full, man.
Unless I put it right there.
Oh god.
Right? I got this.
I'm hearing the thunder like constantly. And I haven't seen any lightning flashes.
There, I'm going in for 3 seconds.
What are you doing, man? You're gonna get all wet.